Want to buy or sell items locally using just your phone? Facebook Marketplace makes it simple. In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Marketplace on your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the Marketplace icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Now you'll see a list of items available for sale near your location. You can browse through items or use the search bar to find something specific. Tap on any product to view details like price, description, and seller information. If you're interested in an item, tap on Message to contact the seller directly. You can ask questions, negotiate the price, and arrange delivery or pickup. To buy the item, follow the seller's instructions for payment and delivery. If you want to sell something, tap on the Sell button and choose the type of listing. Then, upload photos, add a title, price, description, and location for your item. After filling in the details, tap on Publish to list your item on Marketplace. And that's it. You can now buy and sell items using Facebook Marketplace on your phone. Thanks for watching.